going over to driving our forklift. Wife's gonna ride with me. We're gonna go around the way and pick up a head for a Caterpillar engine. Then we're going to come back here, we'll get it up on the bench, we'll start swapping over all the valves and rocker arms and that, and then we'll get it up the keys to Summerlin and get it installed back on the engine.
All right, let's get going.
Hold on. I didn't tell you how long we've been waiting for this dang thing.
Oh, shucks.
It's been like 4 or 5 months. And this is a remanufactured head. They don't make new ones anymore for this engine, 3612, I can't remember. But anyways, it's took a long time to get it, but it's finally here. So, all right, let's go for a ride.
So Matt's gonna build me a cushion so I can squeeze on this forklift for this ride. It's not a very sunny day out here today. High's about 80 degrees, but you can see it's pretty cloudy. Don't see any sunshine yet. We're almost there on this bumpy ride. Good thing we only got to go about a half mile.
Oh, I'm just gonna go check with Chris, and there's some other stuff I gotta get from him that he has.
Okay.
Maybe, let me push this back a little bit. Yeah, glad we took the forklift. I don't want to have to try to carry that.
Ooh, it's looking dark.
Yeah.
We better hurry up. I don't want to get wet.
Yep.
Hey, why don't you tell me real quick about how everybody's so impressed with your forklift when you show up to pick up stuff? Huh?
Everybody loves the forklift. We bought it a couple of years ago, and we bought it brand new, and everybody loves it. All right, getting loaded up. Got all my goods. Heading back to the shop.
Wow, how much were these parts you just spent?
$8,000+.
Whoa.
For a remanufactured head and a manifold. Exhaust manifold.
Did you get a receipt?
I did.
All right, I hope so.
Crazy, huh?
Woo.
All aboard.
Oh, that's me. We've got an extremely anxious customer, so he is going to be so excited to hear that we finally picked up his parts that he waited 5 months for.
Hang on. Let me show you something.
Okay, let me show you. Oh.
$8,128.65. That's for a new exhaust manifold, a new remanufactured head, and a gasket kit. It's a lot of clams. So we had a gentleman call us over the weekend. He was in a tizzy because he was out at Dry Tortugas and he broke down. And it was a weekend, so he couldn't go to any of the marinas, couldn't find a slip anywhere. Ended up limping back home on one end. And I think the generator wasn't working too, so he had no air conditioning. So he got home, got it in his slip, called us, and his slip's up in Summerlin. We usually don't travel that far, but the guy begged us, so we went up there. We discovered, after a few trips back and forth, troubleshooting and things of that nature, we pulled the head off, we pulled the exhaust manifold off, and we found out that the engine was making water through a crack in the exhaust manifold. So we've ordered all the parts, and now we're getting ready to head back up there and build the motor back up and get things running, hopefully. So then he's going to bring the boat back down here, get it closer to us so that we can fix his air conditioning, his electrical, his generator, and whatever else. That's where we're at. So as I said before, we waited a long time to get this. It's a head for a, what is this, Chris? 3616?
3116.
3116 Caterpillar. So I don't know, how many months do we wait for this?
4.
4 months at least. And I'm pleasantly surprised. It already comes with valves and springs installed, so that's more than what I expected. The guys are going to be in the shop here today. They're going to put this new one on the bench right next to the old one and start stripping everything off the old one and moving it over to the new one. We also got a new exhaust manifold because the old one, which is this right here, is cracked. So we got a brand new exhaust manifold, which is nice and pretty. So that head and this exhaust manifold, how much was that? Like $8,000 plus.
Yeah, something like
I think that, just that, for an old discontinued Caterpillar motor.
And then the fuel rack. All of those, Alan. No, we need all of these, I'm sure. Because those are for the injectors.
Can you put it in this box?
Yeah, that's fine. I'll go in this box.
So this is going back in the truck.
Yeah.
Who's drinking that Red Bull? That's mighty big.
Yeah.
Me.
Whoa.
about
You
to
need
get
some
work.
energy today, do you?
This looks like some kind of a heat sink or something, you know? It's got a bunch of fins on it. Maybe not. That's just the paint.
If it looks like it's removable from there, remove it.
This fitting?
Yeah, all the fittings. Loading this up a little bit myself.
I wonder if we should put NR6 on those head bolts.
I'm gonna bring some.
Okay.
You want to use this that little white tube and stuff?
Looks like everything.
Yeah.
Big old black
I gotta blend in with the engine so it thinks I'm its friend. Oh, you guys are fucking adorable.
All right.
Work truck loaded.
Yeah, right.
You sound like us.
For real, it's been
Uh-oh.
probably been like 3 years.
We're sending Tom up to Summerlin. And he says he hasn't been there in 3 years. I told him he's going to the country of
Yeah, mosquito
of the
city.
Keys.
Mosquito
Chris already lives up that way, so he's familiar.
Home turf up there.
I'm not sweating or, you know,
Yeah,
hustling there, so that's
Sure.
not-
This other thing.
it's probably so heavy because of the box too, right? The box gives it quite a bit of weight.
Just heavy.
You can lift it up a little bit. Oh, there you go.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Good.
Did you have a good weekend?
I did. I went to the grandmother's house for Easter.
Oh, you did?
Did all that good egg hunting and
Where's
all the
that?
fun stuff. Fort Myers.
Oh, wow, that's a bit of a little hike.
So what are you working on today, Chris?
This guy.
Oh, okay. Back to that.
Back to this.
You have to.
Yeah, you were meeting the,
You have to go back up north or what?
Yep.
Today?
Do you want the 417 or no?
I think I got it. I'm gonna go look right now.
Okay. I think I have 2 kegs of it, so you might
I
have
think
one.
I got, is this
That's 410 alpha.
is that they getting low? 'Cause mine's getting low too. And it's having a hell of a time coming out of here. It comes out really, really slow. You can hear it. I think there's a restriction in this thing on it, but
Oh, well,
It
swap
works.
them out then.
it works.
That one.
300 bits, 160. 200. Almost. I mean, fast LB.
There we go. I get a unsweet iced tea, please.
It's hot out here today, isn't it?
Yep. What do you get?
I'm gonna get a. Do you have the cold brew here?
Yep.
Okay, I'll try that, please. You just don't have the nitro, right?
No, I don't know.
Nitro. Okay, that's fine.
Would you like it black?
A little bit. You have heavy cream?
Yep.
I'll take heavy cream, please.
Since we were at the marina, we stopped at our buddy's shop, Keys Coffee, and we're grabbing a couple cold drinks because it's kind of warm today.
Saturday morning, and it is probably 80 plus degrees already.
Yep. Tom, go with Chris. I should have called you. And you're going to install these two valves on the swim platform power pack. And it'll take two people because you're going to need to bleed it and then run it up and down. Hey, there's a Ace Hardware receipt out in the parking lot for Polly too.
I'll take that.
Are you gonna ride the bike over there? Or?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry, Tom. I should have.
Oh no, no big deal, dude.
Chris, where'd you put that hydraulic fluid at? Do you need that for par? Didn't you have a gallon jug of it or something?
Yeah, it's back in there.
Is it back in there or is it over here?
No, it's the 86 stuff. It's a
Yeah.
big synthetic 86.
Yeah, so let's get these. So all this can go.
Hey, I booby trapped somebody and I'm gonna catch him.
Yeah.
Did you touch it?
Booby trap.
I'm good.
I booby trapped him. I said booby trap. Yeah, look at this. Somebody's gonna get busted.
Nice. There you go. So you gotta put that one in there. If this one stays in there, then all you gotta do is hit the copy button every single time.
I have one in there right now.
All right, so packing up our Gladius, chasing Gladius Mini S underwater drone. This is more of a recreational one, but it is a high-end recreational drone. We are actually sending this one in. We bought it specifically from this place so we could return it if we wanted to. And we have decided that we are going to go with the industrial line, and we're going to get what they call the M2. The main reason we're getting that is, so let me show you. This drone does not have a lateral transition, which means that I could aim it at the side of a hull of a boat like this, say, and you could move it this way all down the hull of the boat to inspect it. What I was having to do with this drone was back off, move over this way, and then pull back. And so it was taking a lot of time to keep doing that back and forth, and the video was choppy and stuff. Not choppy, but it was a little hard to figure out what we were doing on the video. So we're sending this back, and the company was even good enough to give us a discount code for the M2, which is quite a big upgrade up from this one. Like I said, the main thing is it's got lateral transition control, which will make it a lot easier, but it's also got, it's like GPS underwater. So we are sending it back.
UPS will pick it up tomorrow.
Yep.